Today, we're going to share how to make our Pho Avo Chicken Bowl. We start by filling a bowl with our heated soy and ginger broth. To this, add cooked rice noodles. Now, we'll add in our fun assortment of toppings and mix-ins. We place our roasted and pulled chicken at one edge and add ingredients clockwise as follows: thinly shredded Napa cabbage, carrot for a fresh crunch, sliced jalapeno, fresh sprouts. Next, we'll prepare our diced avocados from Mexico. Check first for the stem and remove if attached. To cut open, insert your avocado tool at the stem and cut around the avocado in half lengthwise. Gently twist the two halves to separate. Place the avo tool at the base of the pit and pop out by applying upward pressure. Holding one half, cut carefully with your avocado tool from top to bottom, then side to side to create dices. Insert the avocado tool at the top of the avocado and scoop the diced avocado onto your Pho Avo Chicken Bowl. Top with half of a hard-boiled egg, and garnish with sprigs of mint and basil. Serve each bowl with lime wedges and thinly sliced green onions. Now you're ready to make the Pho Avo Chicken Bowl by Avocados from Mexico.
Avocados from Mexico.